Today we are going to solve systems of equations by elimination. Resolver sistemas de ecuaciones por eliminación. What does eliminate mean? In English, it means to remove or get rid of something. En español, eliminar, excluir o quitar algo. Let's look at an example. Here you have a system of equations. The first thing you do is add your equations together. Suma las ecuaciones. When we add, my x coefficient cancels out. Los x se cancelan. I add 4y plus 2y equals 10 plus 2. Suma 4y y 2y y 10 y 2. Now I can solve for y. Divide both sides by 6. Y equals 2. Take your answer for y and substitute into an equation to solve for x. Toma la respuesta y sustituye en una ecuación para resolver x. Once we have our equation, let's multiply 4 times 2 is 8. You can subtract 8 from both sides and divide both sides by 2. Your answer for x is 1. Now you can write your answer. La solución es un punto. 1, 2. X comes first. What if you have a problem and the x does not cancel? Then you multiply the equations so the coefficients on x are equal and opposite. Multiplique las ecuaciones para que los coeficientes en x son iguales y opuesto signo. So multiply your equations. If you look at x, you can multiply the second equation by 2. En la segunda ecuación, puedes multiplicar por 2. This way, you get negative 4x. Por eso, tenemos negativo 4x. 4x and negative 4x are opposite of each other. Son opuestos. Add your equations together. Suma las ecuaciones. The x's cancel. Los x cancelan. 7y minus 6y is 1y. 1 plus 6 equals 7. Let's solve for y. Y is 7. Take your answer and substitute into an equation to solve for x. Tome la respuesta y sustituye en una ecuación para resolver para x. So let's solve. 7 times 7 is 49. Subtract 49 on both sides. And divide both sides by 4. X equals negative 12. Your answer is x comma y, negative 12, comma 7. It is written as a point, don't forget. I hope this helped you solve system of equations by elimination. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get notifications on more videos. Thanks for watching. Gracias.